one word,
yes,
there is confusion.
yes.
Sababu, we were told in the new system, the word paperwork and the word matemu, and we expect to have new things, new way of thinking, but the word systems, but we don't have books. Yes, but we have students in school.
And you're teaching
Curriculum, terasha, at any place. We only have a trial curriculum. So, unantuwana tutara to the experience yoko somia wana va junior.
Oh yes.
When they have come to senior school,
Oh yes.
they are teething problems. You can see them, but as a teacher, you have to teach and give instructions. So, like the firstborns, are in the one of CBE. Until and unless the government provide every term. Like for instance, in my school, we have almost 1,000 students.
Yes.
These 1,000 students, the government has given us textbooks, but they are not enough. And if a parent wants to buy, a bookshop,
yes.
So they have to share the. Nando might go now, but some guna bari wait for na inumwa so mantuguna matilda. Bari baga nene we karanza iga ba discuss ayokuba guide. We don't.
It's just them. A group work.
Basically, one bako yinoka collaboration.
Oh yeah.
Tenga bintu bilitu alegote no mwalimu wako achi knows. Yeah. So one nga kibono ko basomega efitabu mbi. You know? There is a technicality, but so far so good. They are being handled.